everybody, it's Ashlea from Small Talk Academy. Thanks for joining for our signing story time. Today we are reading a book called Happiness Is. That's what it looks like. Oops, maybe I need to move a little closer so you can see the pictures. Okay. Ooh. All right, here is the first picture. And it says, so there's a little mice. Zoe was sitting in the meadow, lost in thought. The kite, see the flying kite? Leo was flying, filled her with delight. Do you know what happiness is? Zoe asked her best mouse friend. Answered Leo, tugging at the kite string. Is it that important? Happiness is the most important thing of all, replied Zoe. So here's our next picture. Happiness is feeling a snowflake melt on your tongue in the winter. In the winter. It's the same as cold. Leo looked at her doubtfully. Oops, my fingers. Happiness is finding the most beautiful pebble in the world. Oops, there, okay. And happiness is watching the course of a downy feather's flight. I get it, said Leo. Actually, I can get a little closer there. Gruffly, happiness is discovering a little piece of cheese deep in your trouser pocket. Oh, sorry, there's the picture. Cute. Cute. Happiness is blowing the seeds of a dandelion, shouted Zoe. And happiness is jumping into a great big puddle, declared Leo excitedly. This is a sweet picture. Okay. Happiness is being kissed on the nose by a warm sunbeam. Sunbeam. So you kind of like show the big ball of light and then it shines down. Sunbeam. And, oops. Happiness is shuffling through a thick carpet of autumn leaves. Okay, so here's our stem and our leaf, okay? Like your leaves fall down. But then a kite, okay, here's our string and our kite flies up in the air. Okay? Exclaimed Leo. How perfect was that? We got to try both of those signs. Okay, so this little sweetie pie here. She says, Zoe lay down again in the grass and looked up at the kite as it climbed higher and higher. Then she turned over onto her tummy. And it says, happiness is gazing at a flower up close, she said softly. Look at this cute little picture, how it ends. The two friends. And happiness is flying a kite with your best friend, said Leo with a shout of joy. Happiness. Exactly. That's exactly what happiness is, Zoe said. And off they ran through the meadow together. Very cute. There's that last picture again. And that's the end. Thanks for joining us for signing story time. If you're joining in via YouTube, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next